If you're over 60, what you cook with matters more than ever. Not just what's on your plate, but what it's cooked in. You may think you're eating healthy by baking your chicken or roasting your vegetables. But did you know that the cooking oil you use could be quietly damaging your heart? Some oils clog your arteries, raise your blood pressure, and increase your risk of stroke or heart disease, especially for seniors. And here's the shocker. A few of the worst ones are still found in most kitchens across the US and Europe. But there's good news. Some oils actually clean your arteries, reduce inflammation, and protect your heart and brain health. And today, we're revealing both. In this video, we'll uncover the 4 worst cooking oils you should never use if you're over 60, and 4 you should be using daily, backed by real science, trusted medical sources, and practical tips. This could be one of the most important health videos you watch this year. Let's start with the dangerous ones. The oils that may be sitting in your pantry right now. Worst oil number 1: vegetable oil blended oils. Let's begin with the one that sounds healthy, but isn't. Vegetable oil. Sounds harmless, right? But most so-called vegetable oils are actually ultra-processed blends of soybean, corn, cottonseed, and even rapeseed oils. The real problem? These oils are often chemically extracted using high heat and solvents like hexane, then bleached and deodorized to make them look appealing. During this process, trans fats and oxidized compounds are formed, both known to damage blood vessels and raise LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, according to a 2021 review published in the journal Nutrients. Regular consumption of refined seed oils is linked to increased inflammation and endothelial dysfunction, both of which contribute to atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. For seniors whose arteries may already be narrowing with age, this is serious. So the next time you see a bottle that just says vegetable oil with no clear source, avoid it. It's usually a cheap blend with dangerous long-term effects. Worst oil number 2: soybean oil. Soybean oil is one of the most consumed oils in the Western diet. It's used in frying, processed foods, salad dressings, and often hidden in restaurant meals. But here's why you should be cautious. First, it's incredibly high in omega-6 fatty acids. While our bodies need some omega-6, excess levels, especially when not balanced with omega-3s, create a pro-inflammatory state in the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer. It's linked to heart disease, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even certain cancers. In a 2020 study by UC Riverside, mice fed a diet high in soybean oil showed increased risk of obesity, insulin resistance, and neurological changes. Human studies have also linked high soybean oil intake to increased LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, key factors in heart disease risk, especially after age 60. Worse yet, most soybean oil in the US is made from genetically modified soybeans and is heavily refined. Our advice? Avoid it completely. And check labels, especially on salad dressings and sauces. It's everywhere. Worst oil number 3: corn oil. Corn oil is another common household oil that seems innocent, but carries hidden dangers. Like soybean oil, corn oil is extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. It's also often chemically extracted and contains oxidized lipids due to its unstable structure. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets high in corn oil may lead to increased oxidation of LDL cholesterol, turning it into the kind that sticks to your artery walls and forms plaque. For seniors, plaque buildup is a serious risk. It can block blood flow to the heart and brain, leading to heart attacks or strokes. There's also a major concern with industrial processing. Corn oil is often treated with chemical solvents, bleached and deodorized, leaving residues behind. And one more red flag: corn oil often comes from GMO corn, heavily treated with pesticides. This adds yet another layer of health concern for older adults with sensitive, digestive, or immune systems. Bottom line, corn oil is cheap, but your health is priceless. Leave it on the shelf. Worst oil number for canola oil refined. Canola oil has long been marketed as a heart-healthy alternative. But not all canola oil is created equal. The kind you find in most supermarkets is refined, deodorized, and often made from genetically modified rapeseed. During processing, it undergoes high heat and chemical treatment, which leads to the formation of harmful trans fats and oxidation byproducts. And while it contains some omega-3s, those are mostly destroyed during refining. A 2017 study published in Scientific reports found that mice fed a diet high in canola oil experienced memory loss and increased beta-amyloid plaques in the brain markers associated with Alzheimer's disease. Other research suggests canola oil may impair lipid metabolism and affect insulin sensitivity, both of which are vital for seniors managing diabetes or cardiovascular conditions. Unrefined. Cold-pressed canola oil is less harmful, but it's rare and expensive. So unless you're sure it's cold-pressed and organic, steer clear of canola oil. Your arteries and your brain will thank you. Coming up next, the 4 best cooking oils that actually protect your heart. Stay with us because in the next section, we'll shift from what to avoid to what to embrace. These next 4 oils aren't just safe, they may actually improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support long-term heart and brain health. Let's move on to the good news. Four best cooking oils that clean arteries and protect seniors' hearts. Best oil number 1, extra virgin olive oil. Let's start with the gold standard, extra virgin olive oil. Not just olive oil extra virgin. It's been the foundation of the Mediterranean diet for centuries. And now, science confirms what grandmothers in Greece and Italy already knew: this oil is truly heart protective. What makes it so special? First, it's packed with monounsaturated fats, healthy fats that help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL, the good kind. Second, it contains powerful polyphenols, natural plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. A 2013 study in the New England Journal of Medicine followed over 7,000 people aged 55 to 80. Those who consumed extra virgin olive oil daily had a 30% lower risk of heart attack, stroke, or death from cardiovascular causes. Another study from Spain found that older adults who regularly used extra virgin olive oil had improved memory and brain function compared to those using other oils. Use it for salad dressings, light sautéing, or drizzle it over cooked vegetables. Just don't deep fry with it. It has a lower smoke point. If there's only one oil you keep in your kitchen, let it be this one. Best oil number 2, avocado oil. Avocado oil is another superstar, especially for high heat cooking. Unlike many oils that break down at high temperatures, avocado oil has a very high smoke point, over 500 F to 60 C. That means it's safe for roasting, frying, and grilling. But it's not just heat-stable, it's nutrient-rich. Avocado oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil. It also contains lutein, an antioxidant that supports eye health, something every senior should protect. A study published in Journal of Nutrition found that avocado oil helps reduce blood pressure, lower LDL cholesterol, and improve insulin sensitivity in older adults. It also contains vitamin E, which supports skin elasticity and immune health, especially important as we age. Flavor-wise, it's mild and buttery. It works great for cooking eggs, vegetables, fish, or even baking. Just make sure to choose cold-pressed, unrefined avocado oil for the most health benefits. Best oil number 3, flaxseed oil for raw use only. Flaxseed oil isn't for frying, but it deserves a place in every senior's kitchen. It's one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect the heart and brain. Multiple studies, including one published in the journal Hypertension, show that flaxseed oil can significantly lower systolic blood pressure, especially in older adults with high blood pressure. Another bonus, flaxseed oil may improve digestion, relieve constipation, and support hormonal balance. But be careful, this oil is delicate. It should never be heated. Heat destroys its omega-3s and creates harmful compounds. Always use flaxseed oil cold, add it to smoothies, drizzle over salads, or mix into yogurt. And because it spoils quickly, store it in the fridge in a dark bottle and use within a few weeks of opening. If you want to support your arteries from the inside out, a teaspoon of flaxseed oil a day can make a quiet but powerful difference. Best oil number for walnut oil. You've probably heard walnuts are good for your brain. Turns out, the oil pressed from walnuts is just as powerful. Walnut oil is rich in polyunsaturated fats, especially ALA omega-3s. It's also high in ellagic acid, a compound with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that seniors who included walnut oil in their diets had improved endothelial function, meaning better blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduced risk of stroke. It also helps improve memory and cognitive function, especially in aging brains. One thing to keep in mind, like flaxseed oil, walnut oil is best used raw. It has a low smoke point and is not meant for frying. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle over steamed veggies, or add to oatmeal. It has a delicate, nutty flavor and pairs beautifully with greens, grains, and root vegetables. For seniors looking to protect both heart and brain, walnut oil is an underrated gem. The good versus the bad. Now that we've covered both sides, let's do a quick summary. The 4 worst cooking oils for seniors over 60 are: vegetable oil blends, soybean oil, corn oil, refined canola oil. These oils increase inflammation, raise LDL cholesterol, and promote artery blockage. They're often highly processed, chemically extracted, and harmful to your heart and brain. The 4 best cooking oils for seniors over 60 are: extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, flaxseed oil raw use only, walnut oil raw use only. These oils reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol, support brain function, and keep your arteries flexible and clean. Making a simple switch in your cooking oil can reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, dementia, and even arthritis. Conclusion: simple changes, lifelong results. You've just learned something that most people never hear from their doctor. That the oils you cook with every day, sometimes even the ones that say "heart healthy" on the label, could quietly be clogging your arteries and aging your body from the inside out. And that by simply swapping out just a few ingredients in your kitchen, you can take a powerful step toward protecting your heart, improving your memory, reducing inflammation, and even living longer. Not through pills, not through gimmicks, but through real food, backed by real science. Let's remind ourselves one more time. If you're over 60, your body is changing. Your arteries are more vulnerable. Your metabolism is slower. Your immune system needs more support. You're not 30 anymore, and that's okay. But that also means you need to make smarter choices. The small things matter now more than ever. The 4 worst cooking oils: vegetable oil blends, soybean oil, corn oil, and refined canola oil have been linked to everything from high blood pressure and inflammation to heart attacks and cognitive decline. They are often cheap, highly processed, and hidden in sauces, dressings, frozen meals, and even low-fat foods. But you now know better. Instead, reach for the oils that heal instead of harm. Extra virgin olive oil for daily cooking and drizzling. Avocado oil for frying and high-heat meals. Flaxseed oil for cold uses like smoothies and yogurt. Walnut oil to boost your brain and circulation. These oils work with your body, not against it. They help your heart pump better. They keep your mind clearer. They support your joints, your skin, your digestion, and even your mood. And most importantly, they give you control. Because even if your body is slowing down, your choices can speed up your health. So take a look in your kitchen today. Check your labels. Look at that bottle you use every time you cook eggs, or roast chicken, or toss a salad. Is it helping your health or hurting it? You don't need to throw everything out. Start small. Replace just one oil this week. Add one new one next week. Your future self will thank you. Your heart will beat stronger. Your mind will stay sharper. And your life will feel more energetic and alive, one meal at a time. If this video helped you, or if you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend, a spouse, or a loved one over 60 who wants to feel better every day. And if you want more health videos like this, simple, honest, and made just for seniors, click subscribe and turn on notifications. We're building a community of wise, strong, and healthy people who believe it's never too late to feel your best. Let us know in the comments, what cooking oil do you use most? Are you thinking about switching after watching this? And remember, you can't change your age, but you can change what's on your plate. And sometimes that's all it takes. Thanks for watching. Take care of your heart. Take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video.